Good morning, everybody. It's a fine, beautiful day, so I thought about doing some gardening. Because yesterday I had to pour a lot of composted shit in one spot, and I realized that, because of the plywood that was there for a long ass time, that shattered into good fucking natural compost. And I poured all my liquefied fucking composted shit in this spot right here. And this here, I might not seem like it, but have you seen this soil? This here thrives with life. How do you know that? You just take a fucking kit. You see all the roots? See how it's dark? No, you don't see that, but it does not smell like shit. It smells like life. And yeah, you know what? That's good shitty life. See these? See these motherfuckers? These were able to grow underneath the plywood without any sunshine. That's how this soil is just fucking perfect. So you know what? I'ma fucking do like some cattle, some livestock, and be like, There we go. Now we've got, get the fuck out of here, Nick. I'm kidding. Alright, so now we've got the area in which I would do some gardening. Okay. We don't need that much, okay, for real. Because, all I've got is the veggies I've cut already. So that's all easy, right? So make a little gardening square. This is my square. Why is it a perfect spot? Why? So, this here. Fuck up, man. This here will be my garden spot. Why? Because it's right next to where I make the compost. And because there's a lot of wind, the sunshine actually fucking blasts here. And right over there, it's good fucking soil and land. On the other side is the big field where they harvest everything you need to fucking craft some fine ass fucking bird and beer. And right here is my lamb. And it's my shit. My shit. So what I'm gonna do here, it's pretty damn simple, folks. Remember them veggies? Yeah, a lot of veggies. See? Okay. I would like to tell you a bit more about this, but you're gonna have to see for yourselves. Why you sound so retarded? Because I slept for once. Yeah. Alright, so. You know what? I ain't no expert, but. See this? See this? Yeah. This means life thrives. How is my shit, bro? Okay. So I'm just gonna do a few rolls here and go like, whoop, ooh, you. Damn, it's that Run and play your baby. Respect the earth, Mother Nature. Respect the absence of mankind. 'Cause we are not kind, we are not men. Why do we call ourselves so men? Alright. And well, I'll show you all of it here. See, if I just pour it down like this, right here like this. You can see all kind of cabbage. I'll keep this for later. So, here I've got a fucking orange pepper with many seeds. But all these seeds are everywhere in the bag. And hopefully they're just fucking sprinkled everywhere. So, I don't know, we're supposed to eat this. It's okay, some bunny's gonna eat it. We got some celery. No idea how this is gonna turn out today, boy. Alright. We got a few carrots. So carrots here. Carrots, 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 carrots. You care about Carol? Man, I'm kidding, man. Shut the hell about Carol. You don't talk about carrots here, man. Vegan, 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 vegan. Carrots. Oh, yeah. Carrots, carrots, carrots. Oh, there we go. That's all you need, actually, babe. It's really, really easy. I'm ready. Ready? I'd rather have these here. Ready, ready. Ready for a rabbit hole. I'm trying to be a vegan in this fucking hole. Hell on earth, these mankind. Been walking, looking at the sky, wondering what's above.